Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and this is January 10th, 2015. We're starting the new year. Look, let's start it off right. Twitter, not my favorite stock, but I'm a chart guy. And I'm looking at this now, and I see 35 support. The stock's come down just recently. I'm not talking about the all-time stupid high here. But the stock came down quite a bit, about almost 40% here. And so it's found a base. I'm looking at this indicator, MACD, moving average convergence, divergence. It's averages of like the distance between two moving averages. It's really not that complicated an indicator, but I'm not going to go into that right now. This is the little blue. In fact, hang on just a sec. I don't need this. There. I didn't need to see a moving average of volume. This is the indicator. Okay, it had been in a downtrend. The blue or the dotted line or the dashed line here is really just kind of the line of demarcation between downtrend on the bottom, uptrend on the top. So this has been negative. MACD is just about to move positive into the area where if you're a MACD freak, you're going to look at this and say, now this is in an uptrend. Okay, so we're looking at this. We're catching it a little bit early, but the stock's looking good to me here. So you may want to, look at this, figure out when earnings are. I'm not going to do that work for you, but just know that the stock looks like it's really done going down. And if this can break above the 200-day moving average, I think you're going to see a lot of traders coming back into this stock. Again, it's already had a pretty nasty pullback, and so after just a few, maybe a month or whatever it is, of a little base building, this is a stock that looks like it's probably climbing into earnings. So, yeah, in fact, I just looked it up there. I did your work for you. It's February 5th. So this has got a month, really, to anticipate some strong earnings. I think it's going to be a good trading stock, and I would want to be long this stock going into earnings. Let me rephrase that, approaching earnings. Would I hold it? Should you hold it over earnings? Why you got to make that determination now. Just look for the stock to move higher and then make the decision as far as holding the stock after you got a nice profit on your hands. Okay, members, over to the weekend update.